Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking in essentials: shade cloak mobility and a damage charm to shorten the fight. This reduces exposure and risk. First, observe his tells. A raised claw means charge, slight recoil means shield break, and use that to time a diagonal dash to avoid the initial charge. Once done, move in for 2 quick strikes, then back off to reset spacing. Keep stamina in reserve so you can react to the follow-up slam without getting cornered. Now you shift to controlled aggression. Press short combos, 2 fast hits then a backdash, to avoid overcommitment while chipping his health. When he drops shield and staggers, that's your window. Commit to a full burst but leave an escape path. Make sure to bait his slam by stepping close then retreating, which forces predictable dashes you can punish. Also, hold the arena center to reduce his viable angles. This simplifies reads and makes his telegraphed attacks easier to. As you near the end, conserve a healing opportunity for the final burst where attack density spikes. Use it only during a clear pause. If he pins you, prioritize an evasive dodge then a nail bounce to regain space rather than trading hits. When things go wrong, reset. Jump to a platform edge or retreat to a neutral corner to force a reposition. This breaks his combo rhythm and gives you breathing room. Execute calm, deliberate strikes until the final blow lands.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.